Okay, this is off-grid system with Ingeteam inverter. First of all, this is the Pylontech battery. It's just stackable battery. It's like a Lego. Very easy to put together. I just got really 6mm battery cable because it's only 37 amp going through the system. It's about 150 volt this battery, and it's all this connection to inverter here. Just two battery cables, and the solar panels got 12 panels on each array. It's 24 panels, about 12 kilowatt system here. And this is the Ingeteam inverter. It's made in Spain. As well, was really easy to connect. We just plug couple cables and the system done. 12 kilowatt panels, 6 kilowatt power of inverter, and it's actually charged into the battery. It can charge all 12 kilowatt. It's really like a big charge controller, and it's absolutely off-grid system.